Welcome to episode number 90. Hi everyone, this is Sangeeta, your host for this show, and I am a mindfulness and motivation wizard. This podcast is all about helping you to get your life to the second level and to take one step towards your success. Click on any episode and I'm sure your life will not be the same again. Today we are gonna see something about which is related to why mom should have a hobby. Isn't it a very interesting topic? Yes, so stay tuned till the end. You will also get a bonus tip at the end of the episode. So if you are new to this podcast, my mission is to create people believe in themselves and accept themselves the way they are. My core value is that I am a self-motivated person and I want every individual to be self-motivated and do not accept anything from the others. #remove your label is my mission through it. I have learned from my beautiful life that only one thing, do good and spread happiness across the world. Let's dive into today's episode and let's see the 3 reasons why moms should have a hobby. Moms these days are so very busy. Either they are working or they are housewife. Housewife doesn't mean that they do not have work. They are towards every course of the time helping their family members to. But we are more stressed than ever before and in need of the lifestyle choices that help us be happier. Pursuing a hobby may be just a ticket. How I developed a hobby of doing a podcasting, or I have a super duper hobby of dancing. This is my childhood hobby. Here are the few reasons why hobby is a great idea even for a busy mom. Having a hobby relieves the stress and tension. Spending time with hobby helps you to replace your negative thoughts with positive ones. Having a hobby or a creative outlet can lift your spirit and help with depression. Unlike passive activities like watching TV, it is not a hobby, but hobby is one where you can relax and where you are working on yourself. Repetitive actions like those used in making you feel calm. Hobby helps you to be a better parent. We are so good at singing our children up for lessons and classes and encourage them to have hobby. Even paying for these classes and driving them the floor. But we forget that we also need to learn new things and grow as simple. Hobby also connect you with other people who share similar interest. A hobby can help you maintain your separate identity as a real person and not just a mom. This model is a healthy habit and a boundary for our kids. Hobby provides a refreshing change for your daily routine. If you are stayed at home and you are frustrated because all at the end you are hardly having point of doing something with yourself. This is because of repetitive nature of household work or taking care of the children. In generation past, women pursued hobby like sewing machines, making embroideries and many such things. Not only because they were enjoyable but because they provided a tangible value to the family, either providing clothing for their backs or much needed income. Some hobbies like tennis, gardening or belly dancing can even provide a great exercise to your body. This best exercise activity is one that combines mind and body and is enjoyable to pursue. Why not carve out some time to pursue your hobby as a mother? Don't let a shortage of time stops you. rearrange your schedule. There would be some time, and if you believe that you want to take time, I'm sure God will get some or other place for you to get time for this beautiful hobby and start craving out time for your favorite pastime. My bonus tip for you all is take a day off and analyze yourself that what was your childhood day all about, what you used to love. Are you loved in writing? Where you were loved in doing dance? What was that interest that was taking you, your life to the second level? So imagine those old days where you were young and what was your ambition. Carry it, pursue it. It's only the blockages that we all keep. If Mary Kom has thought about after having 3 kids, if she wouldn't have done boxing as his career, we wouldn't have saw her as winning those gold medals for us. Same way, you also have those ambition. Just dig it off and remove and hold it and hug it. Be yourself, be you, and be happy. If you loved this episode, do share with all the loving mothers and tell them to pursue the hobby and make them active rather than just watching televisions. Do join us on YouTube channel for 21 days challenge going out there. Please do it and share your experience there too. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a nice day.